Hey everyone, so you just watched a YouTube video relating to vaping and peer pressure, and you saw real life students and their experiences with the peer pressure and vaping and how it didn't turn out so well because they gave in to that peer pressure. So we're just going to dive a little deeper into peer pressure, what it is, ways to handle it, etc. Ask yourself this question: why do you think teens give in to peer pressure? So peer pressure, it controls and influences one's decisions, and it's based purely on the need for acceptance. So you give in to peer pressure to usually feel accepted from your peers or whoever is peer pressuring you. A positive way is if you do the right thing, it may also give someone else the courage to say no. A negative is nobody wants to be the dumbest person in the room. So you just don't want to feel like you're being dumb and not doing what you think everyone else is doing. The types of manipulation, this is sneaky or a dishonest way to get what you want. And those can be mocking, bargaining, bribing, guilt trips, blackmail, and flattery. All of these types of manipulation never make someone feel good and feel good in their decision as to what they want to do, such as not giving in to vaping or smoking. Responding to that negative peer pressure, there are three main ways that people respond to negative peer pressure. So in the passive way, you're giving in to everybody and just trying to be accepted and fit in. You're not really thinking of the consequences behind giving into that peer pressure related to vaping or smoking or really any of the drugs. And there's a lot of long-term and short-term consequences, and you're typically not thinking about those. The second approach is being aggressive. So this is being too forceful or hostile and attacking in a immature approach. So you're not really stating the facts as to why you don't want to do something, and you're not just really telling your peer pressurer what you feel. And you're doing it in a more forceful way, such as you're kind of approaching them in a way that is more negative. And the last one is being assertive. This is standing up for what you believe in, and you're firm and you are mature about it every way possible. You're stating the facts, you are going with your gut, and you are just politely telling them in a firm way why you do or do not want to do something. And that is the way to go. Just going over some basic refusal skills for peer pressure if you ever get into that situation, which I'm sure everyone has. I know I have. It's just say no. Like, all you have to do is tell the person no in a polite and mature, firm way, and you're going to then establish a good reputation with yourself. You're going to be that person that doesn't give in to peer pressure, and you can influence others to not get into peer pressure. It's important to avoid those tempting situations. Don't hang out with the wrong crowd. If people are dragging you down, you don't want to go down with them. Don't compromise with people. Walk away if you need to. It doesn't matter. And you don't want to sacrifice long-term success for short-term fun. Think about if you're about to vape, think of the long-term success you can have or long-term situations. So know your answers before you speak. Decide in your head what you want to say and say it with confidence, really. Some refusal skills, I like it down here. It says saying no effectively. For the S, say no in a firm voice. Tell why not, offer another idea, and just promptly leave. So that concludes the PowerPoint. We're going to go on to some more activities, and thanks for watching.